Cool breeze Oscar in his fancy suit.
Jason, what'd you get?
Look at a present for you. How about a nice big Santa smile? Now I know that you are very excited for Christmas, aren't you?
Yes.
Okay. Really? Oh, those are very fun. Do you want to know a secret? Santa plays with that too at the North Pole. Did you know that? Well, yeah, we have to test out all the toys, don't we? To make sure that they're lots of fun, right? And you have been a very good little boy. I want you to keep up the good work, okay? Because I know you're having lots of fun in school, aren't you? Yep. Okay, keep up the good work. And hold on, I got a sucker for you here. Silly snowman. Isn't that cool? Okay, have a very Merry Christmas. Charlie!